To deploy a Vite.js application on IIS server, what we need to do is, first of all, we need to go to the Vite config and define the path here. If I open IIS and I am creating an application, and let's go for, so this is gonna be the path, and so we have created our application. So now I am going to give the base path as like this in my white config.js, and this is enough as I don't have any router inside my index.js or inside my complete application. So this white config base path is enough, and now our app is ready to get deployed on IIS. I will show you what you have to do if you have a router in a minute. So let's first do npm run build. So this has been built. If I copy all of these and come to my folder, paste all of these, then browse here. Now I have my application running on the IIS. So now if I had a router like this, I would have to do one more thing, which is to define slash slash and the name in between them. If we have a folder inside our IIS, then we would define something like this. I can delete this build and rebuild my application. I currently don't have React Router DOM, so let's just install it quick. Let's try the build again, and it's a success. The same process again, copy all in the distribution folder, the actual path, delete, paste, and restart the server. Now we can check if our application is working. So it is working just fine. This is how you deploy a Vite.js application on the IIS. So this is all for the video. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to the channel. See you next time.